Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I love talking about relationships. It's fascinating how two people can come together and create something so special. And while every relationship is unique, just like snowflakes, am I right? There are some universal things that can make or break a connection. Today we're diving into a topic that many men might not even realize is affecting their relationships. We're talking about those little habits, those subtle things that can unintentionally send the wrong message. Stay tuned as we uncover the top 10 things that can make men seem weak to women. Habit 1. Confidence is key, guys. Okay, first up, let's talk about confidence. Now, I'm not talking about arrogance. There's a big difference. Confidence is about believing in yourself, knowing your worth, and not being afraid to show it. When you walk into a room with your head held high, a smile on your face, and a twinkle in your eye, it's magnetic. It draws people in, and it tells the world, hey, I'm here, and I'm awesome. But here's the thing. A lack of confidence can be a real downer. It's like showing up to a party wearing a potato sack. It's not exactly sending the right message. If you're constantly second-guessing yourself, doubting your abilities, and shrinking back from opportunities, it can make you appear weak and insecure. And trust me, nobody wants to be with someone who doesn't even believe in themselves. So, how do you build confidence? Well, it starts with recognizing your strengths, celebrating your accomplishments, and not being afraid to put yourself out there. Remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. And who knows, you might just surprise yourself. Habit 2. Communication is king or queen. Alright, moving on to chapter 2, and this one's a biggie: communication. It's the bedrock of any healthy relationship. It's like the Wi-Fi in your home. Without it, nothing works. You can't expect your partner to be a mind reader, can you? Although, wouldn't that be amazing? Honey, I know you're thinking about pizza. Pepperoni as usual? But seriously, you gotta tell your partner what you're thinking, what you're feeling, and what you need. And it's not just about talking, it's about listening, really listening. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and really try to understand where they're coming from. Good communication is about being honest, open, and respectful, even when things get tough. Because let's face it, relationships aren't always sunshine and rainbows. There will be disagreements, misunderstandings, and maybe even the occasional argument about whose turn it is to take out the trash. But it's how you communicate during those challenging times that really matters. So, ditch the passive-aggressive texts and the silent treatment, and let's work on those communication skills. Habit 3. Stop apologizing for existing. Okay, this next one is for all the people pleasers out there, the ones who apologize for breathing the same air as others. It's great to be polite, but there's a difference between being courteous and being overly apologetic. When you constantly say sorry for things that aren't your fault, or for just expressing your opinion, it can make you seem unsure of yourself and lacking confidence. It's like you're constantly seeking validation and approval, which can be a bit of a turnoff. Remember, you deserve to take up space, to have your voice heard, and to have your opinions respected. You don't need to apologize for simply existing. So the next time you're about to say sorry for something that's not a big deal, take a pause and ask yourself, do I really need to apologize for this? Chances are the answer is no. Habit 4. Step up and take responsibility. Alright, let's talk about responsibility. Life is full of curveballs and things don't always go according to plan, but it's how you handle those challenges that really defines you. Taking responsibility for your actions, your choices, and your mistakes is a sign of maturity and strength. It shows that you're willing to own up to your part, learn from your experiences, and grow as a person. On the other hand, avoiding responsibility, making excuses, and blaming others for your shortcomings is a major turnoff. It makes you seem immature, unreliable, and frankly, a little bit cowardly. So the next time you make a mistake, own it. Don't try to sweep it under the rug or point fingers. Apologize if necessary, make amends if possible, and most importantly, learn from it. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. It's how you handle them that counts. Habit 5, it's okay to disagree. Okay, let's be real. Nobody likes a yes man, or a yes woman for that matter. It's great to be agreeable and easygoing, but constantly agreeing with everything your partner says can make you seem like you lack a backbone. It's like you're a bobblehead doll, just nodding along with whatever's being said. Remember, you're an individual with your own thoughts, feelings, and opinions. It's perfectly okay to disagree with your partner, as long as you do it respectfully. In fact, healthy disagreements can actually strengthen your relationship. They allow you to learn from each other, challenge each other's perspectives, and find creative solutions together. So don't be afraid to speak your mind, even if it's different from your partner's. Who knows? They might even appreciate your honesty and your willingness to stand up for what you believe in. Habit 6. Your inner critic on blast. Okay, let's talk about insecurity. We all have our insecurities, those little voices in our heads that whisper doubts and fears. But it's how we handle those insecurities that matters. When you let your insecurities control you, they can manifest in unhealthy ways, like jealousy, possessiveness, and neediness. These behaviors can be incredibly draining on a relationship and make you seem weak and insecure. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a completely confident, self-assured superhero all the time. We all have our moments, but it's important to work on building your self-esteem and addressing those insecurities. Talk to a therapist, practice self-care, and surround yourself with supportive people who lift you up. Habit 7. It's sexier than you think. Alright, let's talk about ambition. Having goals, dreams, and aspirations is incredibly attractive. It shows that you're driven, passionate, and excited about life. It doesn't matter what your goals are, whether it's climbing the corporate ladder, starting your own business, or becoming a world-renowned chef. What matters is that you have something you're working towards, something that lights you up. A lack of ambition, on the other hand, can be a major turnoff. It can make you seem unmotivated, complacent, and lacking direction. It's like you're just drifting through life without a paddle. So find your passion, set some goals, and go after them with everything you've got. Habit 8. Open your heart, open your relationship. Okay, this next one is crucial. Emotional availability. Being in a relationship means opening yourself up to another person, sharing your thoughts and feelings, and being there for them emotionally. It means being present, engaged, and supportive. Emotional unavailability, on the other hand, is like building a wall around your heart. It's shutting your partner out, avoiding vulnerability, and refusing to connect on a deeper level. This can be incredibly damaging to a relationship and make you seem emotionally immature and unavailable. Remember, relationships are a two-way street. It's about giving and receiving love, support, and understanding. Habit 9. The enemy of fun. Let's talk about decisiveness. Being able to make decisions confidently and efficiently is a sign of leadership and strength. It shows that you're capable of taking charge, weighing your options, and making a choice. Indecisiveness, on the other hand, can be frustrating and make you seem unsure of yourself. It's like you're constantly stuck at a crossroads, unable to pick a direction. Now, I'm not saying you need to make every decision on the spot. It's okay to take your time, gather information, and weigh your options. But once you've done that, don't be afraid to make a choice and stick with it. Habit 10. Stand up for yourself. Stand out from the crowd. Last but not least, let's talk about standing up for yourself. It's important to be assertive, to set boundaries, and to speak up when something is bothering you. It shows that you respect yourself, your values, and your needs. Not standing up for yourself, on the other hand, can make you seem like a pushover. It's like you're letting others walk all over you and dictate your life. Remember, you deserve to be treated with respect, to have your voice heard, and to have your needs met. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, relationships are a journey, not a destination. There will be bumps along the way, but with a little effort and a whole lot of communication, you can build a strong, healthy, and fulfilling relationship. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. See you next time.